year, we have independently hosted and partnered with a number of centers and institutes at Garrett to bring you a wide variety of lectures, panels, and articles on social ethics topics for a diverse audience. We would like to thank Jerry and Mary Joy Stead for their shared enthusiasm and generous support that has allowed us to enhance our community one conversation at a time.